How to fix unable to connect camera error. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the camera error that says unable to connect. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings and then head over to your app settings. Once you open up your app settings, head over to your camera apps. Just scroll down until you find your camera application and then just tap on it. First thing first, what you need to do now is go ahead and tap on storage and then tap on data and clear all of its data. So just tap on clear data and it will delete all of your data permanently. And then head over to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed. As you can see, there are no permissions denied. And finally, what you can do is force stop the app. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK. What this will do is shut down all of the background activities of the app. And finally, head over to battery uses and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. And finally, after doing that, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.